Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials: business name, EIN or TIN, a verified company email, and the website you'll track. Once done, navigate to Impact. And click Sign Up for Business Account. Select the role that matches your responsibilities. Make sure to enter the exact legal name and a contact email you monitor, because Impact uses that for verification and legal documents. After you submit basic details, watch for the confirmation email and keep your login password manager ready for the next steps. Once your email is confirmed, sign in and complete two-factor authentication to secure access. Next, fill the company profile and add payment details plus tax information like EIN or W-9 where required. This ensures payouts work without delay. Then create your initial partnership program, define commission rates, cookie window length, and allowed promotional channels. Make sure tracking domains and postback URLs are accurate, because incorrect values are the most common cause of missed conversions. Save settings and move. You're close. Invite partners or publishers, assign roles, and share campaign briefs so they know tracking links and creative rules. Then run a test conversion. Complete a test purchase or lead flow using a partner link to validate tracking, postbacks, and cookies. Once tests pass, activate the program and monitor reports for 24 to 48 hours to confirm conversions and payouts align. If something fails, first check tracking pixels, postback URLs, and cookie domain settings. Often a missing parameter or incorrect URL is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.